Demi Lovato's new documentary will address exactly what happened during her near-fatal overdose in 2018. The Anyone hitmaker was rushed to hospital almost 2 years ago when she relapsed after 6 years of sobriety, and it has now been confirmed that her upcoming YouTube documentary, which is yet to have a title, will tackle the horrific experience. A source said. Demi's experience in 2018 was horrific and will continue to affect her for years to come, so she hasn't felt able to speak about it properly yet. But she has written much of her upcoming album about the situation and wants to address exactly what happened to her in the hope she can prevent anyone else suffering a similar experience. Demi, 27, is said to be nervous about detailing her ordeal but wants to speak about it in her own documentary so that fans can hear about it in her own words. The Insider added to the Sun newspaper's bizarre column. She has been nervous about speaking about what happened because she doesn't want anything to be misconstrued, so decided her own series would be the best way as she will have the power to control exactly what is spoken about. According to the source, most of the documentary series has already been done, with plans in place to release the series this summer. Demi's documentary was first announced last week, and it was said at the time that the 4-part series will explore her life over the last 3 years, including her overdose and her journey back to full health and sobriety, as well as key events, including her landmark performance of the national anthem at this year's Super Bowl. For Demi, the series comes 3 years after she teamed up with YouTube to release Demi Lovato. Simply Complicated, which tackled her struggle with addiction and her initial journey to sobriety before her 2018 relapse.